Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to solve a very interesting cube painting problem that appeared in the ACET 2026 mathematics paper. Now before we start, let me tell you an important thing about the ACET, that is the Actuarial Common Entrance Examination. This examination tests not only your calculation skills but also your logical visualizations as well. Many questions are designed to check whether you can imagine a three-dimensional object instead of blindly applying the formulas. So whenever you see a cube painting question, don't rush to calculate. First, visualize the cube. And today's problem is a perfect example of that. So first, let's read the question, then we will discuss about it. Question is, a solid cube of side 4 centimeter is painted red on all faces and then cut into 64 small cubes of side 1 centimeter each. How many small cubes have paint on exactly two faces? There are four options. Option number A says 8, B says 24, C says 32 and D says 48. Okay, so let us first understand what is happening over here. We have one large cube, its side is 4 centimeter, and since each small cube has side 1 centimeter, each edge is divided into 4 equal parts. And therefore, the number of small cubes is what? This is 4 cubes. So, this is 64 cubes. This matches the question. So far, everything is clear. Okay. Now, before solving, ask yourself one question. Where can paint appear? Can an inside cube ever receive paint? No. Only the cubes touching the outer surface receive the paint, right? And this single observation solves almost every cube painting question. So always remember, paint is only on the surface. Interior cubes never receive the paint. Okay. Now think carefully. A cube can have three painted faces, two painted faces, one painted faces, or the zero painted faces. Today's question asks for exactly two painted faces. Where are such cubes located? Not at the center of a face, not inside, not at the corners. They lie along the edges but excluding the corner cubes. Why? Because an edge is formed by the intersection of the two faces and hence every cube on the edge touches exactly two painted faces. However, the corner cubes touch three faces, not two. So we must remove the corner cubes. Okay. Now suppose a cube has sides divided into n equal parts. Each edge contains n cubes. Out of this, the first cube and the last cube are corners. So the remaining cubes on the edge are n minus 2. Now these are exactly the cubes having two painted faces, right? Now ask yourself, how many edges does a cube have? A cube always has 12 edges. Therefore, the number of cubes with exactly two painted faces is 12 into n minus 2. So, this is one of the most useful formulas in the cube painting problems. Okay. Now, apply the formula. Here, n is what? 4. Therefore, exactly two painted faces will be 12 into 4 minus 2. So, this is 12 into 2, 24. Hence, 24 small cubes have paint on exactly two faces. Okay. So, what will be our final answer? Option B is the final answer for this question. Now let's verify our answer logically. Each has 4 cubes. Remove the two corner cubes. Remaining cubes will be what? 2. And there are 12 edges. So therefore 12 into 2, 24 is the answer confirmed. Okay. Now, instead of remembering many different tricks, remember this table. I'm writing here the position and here the painted faces. Okay. For the corner cubes, this is 3. For the edge cubes, excluding the corners, this is 2. For the face center cubes, this is 1. And for the completely inside cubes, this is 0. And this table can solve almost every cube painting question asked in the competitive examinations. Okay, so clear? See you in the next video with a new question of the ACET Mathematics 2026 paper. Till then, bye-bye.